to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right guys, so I am at Michael's and I'm getting ready to show you some of their decor. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. All right, so let's take a look at these. This is a tin can. This is so nice to give a gift. And look at that frame. I'm loving that. So this is like an ornament shape. It says fa la la. And these are the prices right here. Now it is 60% off and this is $16.99. Then you have the letters over there for Santa. And here's Santa. I love this phone. How cute. All right, so let me see if I can get to the price. It's not easy working with one hand, but look, I don't see the price, guys. I'm sorry, $29.99 US, so 60% off of that. I like this phone. Isn't that pretty? Then we have Santa. This is nice. These are Ashland. So here is Santa, and this is cute. Night before Christmas, $12.99. Here's some more of those Santa stands, and here are the bells. I love those jumbo bells. Then we have, these are stand-up decor. Get your jingle on. That's cute. This house believes. I love that. And so look at these mugs. I was staring at them before I came on. These are $11.99. Now we have a whole bunch of mugs over here. I like this, kind of cute. So then here we have the Santa Claus ones. And then here's some more of those. I absolutely love these Nutcracker. The Nutcracker mugs. And this is really pretty too. Then we have this one. It says Christmas, Merry Christmas, and the bow. These are ceramic initials. And then we have some more of the bells along the bottom. And look how cute. I love it. I love the believe sign. And this is the countdown to Christmas. We have some of those Christmas trees. And there's the North Pole and hot cocoa. Wouldn't that be nice? In my cocoa bar. Let's see. This is $39.99. Wow. But it's 60% off. Then we have the Nutcracker. Is he not? He is so cute. And he's so tall. So it's $79.99, 60% off. And here's the North Pole sign. And here's the Santa sign. And look at this. Very pretty. This one over here says 50% off, but those over there say 60. I'm loving the deer. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. This one is, let's see. All right. $34.99. And then you have this one. Happy holidays. That one over there says Merry Christmas. This one says Be Merry. Now this is wood. And then you have the bell. This is kind of cute with that bow. $24.99. And look at the sweater throw. Those are really nice. Here are the ornament decor, tabletop decor. $34.99. And this is very pretty too. And look at these, the sleigh tray. Isn't that gorgeous? So I like those boards. Very nice. And I like these. So these are candle holders, guys. And look, they're twirl. A curly ribbon. So we have these. They're shaped like little houses. So we have that one. And then we have this one. Here's the joy plate. $12.99. And over here we have the sleigh and the Santa, and here's the Nutcracker. I love it. These are nice too. There's the countdown to Christmas. I am loving it. And look at these nutcrackers. So I'm really liking that one in the back, the black one. This one is pretty too. Then the mailboxes. I like this. Okay. Very beautiful. Look at the deer. So what is that, like a vase? And it's $34.99. This one has glasses. Very pretty. I like these colors. And there is the beige sweater material. Here's the Santa. And look at this. The birds have a sweater. How cute. I'm loving that. Oh, this is a dish. Somebody must have placed that in the wrong place. It's $9.99. I am loving that. And then these black deer are really nice. Isn't that beautiful? These nutcrackers are really pretty too. And there you have the sweater birds in black and in white. And that pine cone is so cute. I love that Believe black reindeer. And then, so here we're in a different section here. I absolutely love these. Are these not royal? Okay. They are so beautiful. Look at the swan. And these pictures are really nice. Look at the bling tree. I love that. It's a little bit too heavy for me to pick it up. The pictures and the throw pillows. Absolutely beautiful. I love these. This one says Christmas, Noel. And is this a nutcracker? Yes. I love it. Here are the trees. And look at this. Is this not beautiful? I am loving this. So then you have the nutcracker here chalkboard. This is nice. Such beautiful stuff, the nutcracker board. I love this. And look at this one. And that one is so pretty. So this is like the nutcracker collection here at Michael's. A Christmas Carol. Very nice. This tin can is so cute. I like that. Look how pretty. And I love those plates. Very nice. Look at the tin. Oh my goodness. So these are really nice too. $29.99. And I'm loving this one. And this is so pretty. So these plates are so nice. I love it, guys. There are some more nutcrackers. I love this decor. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.